Air-fried Brussels sprouts with F and Sharp. To prepare your Brussels sprouts, first cut off the root end. Some of the leaves will naturally fall off, while others you'll just have to gently remove. You can either save these or discard these. These turn into wonderful Brussels sprout chips in the air fryer. Next, you'll want to cut your Brussels sprouts in half. And if they're a large enough Brussels sprout, you'll want to go ahead and cut that in half again, making some quarters. We're going to drizzle some extra virgin olive oil, season just simply with salt and pepper. And then we're going to cut up some bacon. Whatever your favorite is here, that's the one to go with. I'd say go about 1 inch on your bacon slices, and then go ahead and lay the bacon raw over the Brussels sprouts, because as it cooks, that fat's going to render down, flavor up the Brussels sprouts, get them nice and crispy like that. And then to finish, we'll just simply do some reduced balsamic vinegar, which becomes a glaze. And then we'll hit it off with some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Make sure you check out fnsharp.com.